Good day, YouTube. I just installed a HHO generator, or a hydrogen generator. I'll run you through it real quickly. Well, first off, I think this is a dry cell. I'm not sure, I don't know. This is the reservoir right here. That's the fluid level. It's on right now. And so what it's doing is it's drawing fluid from the bottom of here going into the bottom of the generator, and then out of there's one of these on the other side, but there's a hose on it. This one's capped, and that is this hose bubbling away, and it feeds back. Then from there it goes straight into the air cleaner, and it's right now it's wired in with one relay. I read what I could of the instructions. I'm missing a page or two, but to run, I've put an amp meter on here and see how many amps it's drawing, and it should draw about 40 amps, or as close to 40 as it can. And if it's not, then I need to put more caustic soda in here. Not caustic soda, what's it called? Potassium hydroxide. I think I've got 3 tablespoons in there now. And I'm using, if this fuel cell looks familiar to anybody, I'm using the both sides of the generator. So I've only got one trip to town and back. I'll keep you posted on what it's done for, well, if there's any difference in fuel mileage. The best that I get in the summertime with this on the highway is 400 kilometers to 60 liters. So whatever that is in miles to the gallon, I don't know. In a Canadian gallon, it's about 23.5. Oh, we got a visitor on patrol. There should be about 4 of them around here. Anyway, that's it for today, and thank you for watching. Bye.